channel. Today we're going to create, guess what, another table, a dinner table. As you might have noticed by now, I really like to create tables. I think it's fascinating to create something that people use almost on a daily basis. And so this table is going to be for a friend of mine, a YouTuber who is like a celebrity YouTuber. La Cocinadera has a cooking channel. If you don't know it, you should check it out right now. And this is going to be a rather small kitchen table, 1.60 m long. And this is elm. So this lumber elm is, there's different types of elm, like the ones that grow more on the hill or in the flatlands. This is elm from the hill, so it's a little bit darker, not that white compared to the other ones. This is all from one tree. And so that gives us the possibility to create a book-matched tabletop. So if we turn this around, it's like a book that you open, and you see this is in parallel. And we will do here exactly the same. And we can have book-matched patterns. So my idea is to cut these here and glue them together, the same here. But then here, in the middle, I'm thinking about leaving a gap. So like a physical hole in between these, small, so put them together, but still leave it as an element. So in the center of the table there is like a gap. I don't know if that's going to look nice or not, so if it's not going to look nice, I'll just cut them and glue them together anyway. But for now, that is my idea. The first thing we have to do, like always, is to run these through the jointer and the planer to get all the twists out, to make them the same thickness. And once that is done, we can continue, as always, with epoxy and gluing them together and all these kind of things. So, first step first, let's go to the jointer and the planer and get these all cleaned up. I passed these boards through the planer and the joiner, and they're ready now to be glued up, or like to be prepared to be glued up. One thing that happens that you might notice here is that this board here, you see that this board here got really thin here because it was really twisted, and because of that there's not a lot of material left here. That is not a problem because these boards are more than 2 meters long. And the table will only be about 160. So the ends are going to be thrown away anyway. And so I hope that will still get enough thickness when we glue these together. So 2 of these book matched together, the other one book matched together. That means I need to cut off the live edge on the inner side and then glue them together. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see, maybe I'll cut off a little bit on the ends just to waste less glue, and so the entire handling is lighter. I'll see you along the way, so let's get started. time has come to start with a finish, and I'm going to try something new, something I'm actually pretty excited about, something I discovered on YouTube, obviously. It's called Rubio Monocoat. Rubio Monocoat apparently is a finish that you apply once, monocoat, that's like one coat you have to put on it. You rub it on, you leave it to dry for about 10 minutes, then you swipe away the excess, and it's done. You only need one coat. Afterwards, it's water resistant, it's completely natural, so it's food proof. It's pretty expensive, I have to say, but if that works, and I don't have to put on like layers of polyurethane and spray and all like the things I normally do, it's going to speed up the project a lot. And also, putting on the finish is not my favorite part, so if I can speed that up, that's actually a good thing. And so I bought here two of them. The one is for interior, the Oil Plus 2C. You can mix it with an accelerator so it cures faster. And then there is an oil for the exterior. And I tried that on this piece here. You see this one here on the outside is the one for the interior. The exterior is a little bit lighter. There's different colors you can buy, but this is like the natural one, the neutral one. And I tried it out. I put it on and I spilled water on it, left it there for a while, and it's like completely beautiful, like there's no stains, nothing. So I'm pretty positive if this works out. I think in the future I'm going to use this one, but we'll see. I'm going to give it a try. Let's see how it works out.